Right now, China's economy has looked somewhat stable because the construction sector looks like it's beginning to bottom out after all of the problems in the property market since the three red lines in 2021. But the export sector, I think, is more likely to take another leg down, and therefore China's cycle looks weaker. So where does that leave us from here? Well, obviously, a lot is going to depend on what happens with tariffs. Like if tariffs remain at over 100% on China, if, as being rumored, there's large tariffs are going to be imposed on semiconductors over the course of the next few months, if the reciprocal tariffs or if the auto tariffs remain at 25%, if all of these things remain true, then I think there's a lot more downside to exports from here. And even in economies like Taiwan, which have been doing so well, that's going to matter a great deal for the outlook over the course of the next few months. And so tariffs remain the big issue, I think, in the region. And it's very difficult to be optimistic about the economies given the threat of tariffs that exist. And I think as long as the threat of tariffs remains on the table, and particularly tariffs at double-digit rates, it's more likely we see an export recession, which means that the region looks very weak.